This is one of the Harbor Breeze Martinique. I've been told they are fans on my porch. The other one's over there. We'll film it in a minute. They really need to be cleaned. They'll probably end up getting replaced at some point. See, I labeled the remote so I can tell you which one it was. These don't run very much, but they're on high when they do. I have to ignore the noise that cicada's making. It may actually be more than one. Sounds like the air compressor or air conditioner out there just dropped out. May not have been ours, it may have been our neighbor's. This one hums a bit when it's on high. Wobbles quite a bit too, but it's alright.